Alright guys, this is Charles Chinonso, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create your WhatsApp group link. Peradventure you need a link you can share across social media platforms so that you can always get traffic from the internet. So I'll be showing you how you can create that link, how you can create that group link, and most importantly how to shorten the link. Do you understand? Because the link is always very long. So I'll be showing you guys how to also shorten that link. So right now I'm on my WhatsApp. So for me to create this link, I'll have to open the group which I want to create the link from. So I'll open this group I'm seeing up here, which says Macno Stores. So once I open that group, then I'll tap on this up right here, where you have the Macno Store, that name. So I'll tap on it. So once I tap on it, then just scroll down right here to where you have invite via group link. Can you see that? So click on invite via group link. Once you click on that, then this will load up for you, and over here you get to see where you have copy link. Can you see copy link? So I'll click on copy link. So if I copy this link and go and paste it, you will see how long it is. So it means I will need to like shorten it. I will need to like shorten the link. Can you see how long the link is? So for me to shorten the link, I'll be using bit.ly or tinyurl.com. So if you want to learn how to use those platforms, I already dropped a video in the description on how to shorten your link. So just go ahead and watch that video and learn how to shorten your link. So this basically I get to like create your WhatsApp group link. So I believe you got value. If you did, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.